Hello everyone, today I'm going to be presenting my little project which is Ocean Plastic Pollution by me, Mariam. Where does it go? Where does the plastic we use end up? Well, we use the plastic and then throw it to the waste, but where does it go after that? Most of this plastic finds its way into different water bodies such as lakes, rivers, and oceans. They may gather up in great garbage patches or even biodegrade into smaller pieces of microplastic. Well, where's the problem in all this? The problem is the plastic getting into these water bodies. This is called plastic pollution. Once a plastic does find its way into the water, it could gather up in the ocean in great garbage patches, like the one in the Great Pacific. Or it could find its way into different digestive systems in animals, thinking that it's food. Here's a little more about the plastic pollution. So there's about 8 million pieces of plastic that's finding way to the ocean every single day. And plastics have been found embedded into the ice in the Arctic. And 11 billion pieces of plastic are killing coral reefs. What's my solution going to be? The solution is going to be my app, which is called Ocean Plastic. There'll be a short story at the beginning about how plastic pollution is affecting our environment, environmentally friendly actions to do to help decrease this impact, save your progress, and earn points along the way. Here's a plan and prototype of what the first 4 pages of my app will look like. On the far left, there is the front page that will show up when you first open the app. For the second image, you have the login page, page number 3. You've got the home page where you can see the short story, causes, actions, and organize your profile, and also see why plastic pollution. And on the far right, we have the story page, a sampler of what page 1 looks like. What makes my app different? What makes my app different is that it's free to download and to use, has great fun activities to help decrease the plastic pollution impact on the environment, and you can do it anywhere at any time or any day, or no matter where you are. Some of my next steps for the app, for the project, is to add more features to the app, do a lot more research, put the app to testing, and to get feedback and to make improvements to make sure the user has a great experience and enjoys using the app. Thank you so much for listening to my idea, and thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out the link to my website where there will be the prototype of the app, and thank you!